Okay, everything should be live. Let me just check on YouTube, on Twitter. Yes, YouTube live is up. Twitter is also up. Let me just tweet. Okay, yesterday we are trying to do this, right? It worked correctly. Now, what we want to do is we want to deploy all the faucet. Yes. Please. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to test the contract by deploying it on testnet. So let's do this. Let's remove all these things. Transaction request, get balance. Okay, this is not, we don't need this. So now we need to move on to actually deploying it, and the name will be it's cast w list testnet account 3. Say testnet account 3, that's the name. Copy, we'll change this. We have everything. We are providing the password. Then we need to deploy those things. Liquid staking test, we have it. Now yes, found it. Const staked say equal to await ethers dot deploy contract staked say sign. Okay, here we are. Okay, ethers v6 deploy contract. This is hard at helper, so we also need HRE, right? Let's import that. Let's remove this ethers. We don't need conflicting things. HRE ethers, that works. Let's just try to run it. npx run scripts deploy and test on testnet. Wallet address is correct. Now, yeah, at this point we'll do hre.hard@ethers. Okay, at least let's try. Now we want to pass the name of the token that we want. Yes, and then signer. We can just say signer. Await state say dot wait deployment const state say address equal to await state say dot get address console.log address of LST state say address. Let's do multiple deployments. We don't need to think about it that much. Great. And okay, in the deployment we won't have any issue in any case. Okay, I'll create a quick node URL and then try to I'll set up .env file. Just give me a minute. So how many people are watching today? Not many, I see. Okay. Anyway, most of the time no one is here. So if someone watches, that's plus for us. Great. Quick node. Why are you taking so much time? Okay, I'm gonna hide the VS Code. Just give me a moment. I'll new file .env and then rpc underscore URL equal to okay, hopefully we won't open it by accident. npm install .env. Okay, now at the top we'll say require .env .config, and here we'll say process.env .rpc underscore url. Okay, let's not deploy this. We'll just run it to see if we get anything. Yes, we do get something out of it. It is okay. 31st March. Let's try. We have deployed this. Now we'll say const liquid staking await hre.ethers deploy contract liquid staking, comma, what things do we need to pass? Staked say address, then address of the owner, so signer dot address, that's a signer await liquid staking dot get address. We have it. Now we need to transfer the ownership of staked say to liquid staking and then call it. Okay, await staked say dot connect signer dot transfer ownership, no, transfer ownership for this. Wait, this is wait deployment. After that we are gonna say liquid staking address equal to await liquid staking dot get address console dot log liquid staking contract address. What is the contract address? Liquid staking address. Great. Now we are passing this address. Then we'll say liquid staking dot connect. Every time we have to do this. Liquid dot connect signer dot connect accept token ownership const staked say owner equal to await staked say dot owner console dot log state say owner is liquid stake staking contract. We'll say state say owner equal to liquid staking address. We'll get true or false. Let's see if everything is correct. Also, this deployment won't. Okay, X, Y. Oh, accept ownership of token. Also, we are gonna deploy every time. So let it be. It says false. Why? I don't understand what we are logging. So wallet address, LST, contract address. Okay. So what we can do is, let's remove this part. Push it here. Now we will do console.log initial staked say owner, staked say owner. We have this, that's correct. So we'll at least know what first owner is, and then we'll do same at the end. Staked say owner after ownership transfer. Three B92, that's correct. Custom error, action estimate gas, data. Let me check. Cast convert hex to string. No. And Foundry. Foundry cast convert hex to string. Let's see. Data help from H no hex decode RLP. Let's see, cast from RLP, right? No, disassemble. Let's see. Cast DA. Error dot data. No. State say can we just say const ethers equal to require ethers dot to UTF-8 string. Okay, now const ethers equal to require ethers to UTF-8 string. Now how to pass this correctly, and okay, this was correct, then why did we get an error? Okay, let's ignore. Let's just try this here. We are getting some error, right? Payload reverted data. Can we just do like hex to string, and it probably should work. Not really sure if it will. Yeah, it won't. Okay, let's see. What can we do to resolve this? Let's just put whole thing in try catch instead of manually doing something. I'll just say catch error if error dot data, then say console dot error hre dot ethers dot to utf-8 string error dot data, else just console log the error, console dot log error in execution error. We can say reason, and we'll see this. We have enough ether to do anything, say enough say to do anything. So let's see. Next, okay, I don't know where we are accepting it correctly. Maybe we are not accepting it correctly, that's why we got the error. State say works. Can we run it again and see what happens? So issue happens here. An accepting of the ownership. No. Does it happen here then? Because console log won't give an error. But that part works up here also. Then why will we get an error? You see initial owner, we can see the initial owner. Short message invalid. For now we'll no. Let's see why. I don't know why we are getting the error. We are just checking for the owner. Okay, now we don't have the error. unknown error. If we remove the console log, it works. That's just ridiculous. Because we have this owner function right at the top. This do we have full trace on this? Okay, no, we don't. Let's open say trace and figure that out. Okay, now it worked. Okay, ownership transfers happen correctly. There is no issue with that. No, not mainnet. We need testnet, and we are just deploying ridiculous amount. 34 seconds ago. That's correct. Execution. Contract call. Let's see these. We know first should be accept. First should be transfer and then accept. Okay, this is second, this is first. We are not verifying it. Can we verify the contract? Let's see. Like we can. I just want to. Don't they have? We want verification. Create an API key. Verify contracts. Verify contract hard hat verification plugin. That I should have ethers. Okay, they have all of those things that we need. Private key, we can ignore that. Hard hat constructor, deploy verify. Okay, okay, can't we just do like instead of two hard hat verify, when we are running the thing, running the command uh, to run the script. We are executing the command to run the script. Can't we just pass it in that? Yeah, there is a way, I guess. Etherscan instance. Oh yes, we can do that. We can say const instance verify if they allow it. Here I want to check. Yeah, we can say, we can copy this and just create an instance here. We'll do that afterwards. Right now we want to go ahead here and get the validators, then get the deposit, add the deposits, deposit 1, and check if we are getting correct amount back, then deposit 2, and see, hopefully see that we are not getting an error which we were getting in the local node. Also, let's check the logic if we have that correct or not. Yes, we had issue here. So delegation, if we go to iStaking, in the delegation we have, where is delegation, we get delegation, this is this part, then we have balance and we'll get the amount. So this will be the amount that our contract has delegated to particular address, particular validator. Yes, delegation, balance, amount, taking balance, then amount. Yeah, that should be correct. Let's see, quick node, say RPC docs. Okay, we have other things, right? Do we see those here? Say Cosmos API, validators, Cosmos REST. Yeah, we get the validator dataset. we want latest. We get this. Now we just want the first one. Validate. We get the result, then validators. In that we get the first validator and then the address. No. Testnet, Cosmos. We have the RPC. We just need this. If const okay, just trying some, just being lazy, I know. Okay, const result equal to request option get redirect follow. Okay, let's just use that, whatever that is, and then we are gonna say okay. Okay, await fetch. We have this, which will we are gonna use. What's the name? Testnet RPC. I'm gonna hide it again, the VS Code. I want to see .env file. Okay, we have this. Let's copy this part. Comma request options. Response. Okay, let's see if we get the correct response. Yes, we do get it. That's good. We have this. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to set the validator. Set validator and then string. Data, let's keep that data. Await liquid staking dot set no dot connect. We're gonna pass signer dot set validator and response data dot validator dot address. That's okay, that's done. Okay, we don't have that public in a public scope, so let's just write function get validator, nothing, external view returns string, return s underscore validator. Memory, that's correct, right? It's a string, yes. Now we want const validator address equal to await liquid staking dot get validator, not validators, it's copy. We have this console.log address of validator address. Done. Now we want to deposit one. We are gonna do very small deposit. Yes, const let result equal to await liquid staking dot connect signer dot deposit value, let's say const amount equal to ether dot parse ether 0.000.1, let's say, and we're going to say amount. Now I want to check if we get the equivalent amount of staked say back, let balance equal to await staked say dot balance of sign dot address, then say console dot log staked say balance of signer, we'll say ethers dot parse let's see parse ether balance. Okay, and now we are gonna fill somewhere true. I want to remove the console log. Yeah, there is no console log for this. That's for the data. That's good. We don't want it. Let's try to run that. Okay, someone is watching on YouTube. That's great. Provider config. Where did we mess up? We know this is correct till this point. Let's just try running that again and again till we figure out. Okay, do we no, we don't have any issue anywhere else. Okay, we do know with okay, let me copy this. We'll just go back. Okay, we know there was no issue till that point. Column 1. What did we okay, there might be do we have which config did we change? Did we do like an import or something? No, we didn't do anything. Okay, let's see. Yeah, everything is correct now. Okay, this error I think after 1 2 tries it goes away. We can't decode the reason for it, so I'm just gonna ignore for now. Let's run this again and see what we get. Oh, time is almost up. We'll figure this out tomorrow. For now, we did do successful deployment for few times. Transfer of ownership. Now we need to. We are figuring out how deposit will work because we had issue with that, right? So now let's see if that works or not. But yeah, it will be. We're gonna wrap today's stream. So I guess I hope you guys enjoyed it. If not, let me know. If yes, let me know too. I'm happy to hear whatever feedback you guys have and how can I improve the streams. If you're watching on Twitter, please do give me a follow. And if you're following me, go to YouTube and subscribe to the channel. And vice versa. If you're watching on YouTube, do like and subscribe. If you're done that already, go to Twitter and follow me there. Yeah, that's about it. See you guys tomorrow, same time. You already know the topic. And have a nice day. Bye.